A very good morning, dear children. So, dear children, today we are going to start our new chapter, that is a small poem about butterfly. Okay, so I request all of you take out English book, open page number 6016 in your book, write down date and the great task on the top. Okay, then we will start with the reading. So, what is the name of the poem? The name of the poem is Butterfly Are Pretty Things. Butterflies are pretty things. So this is our poem. We will read about the butterflies. So I hope you all love butterflies. Okay. So this poem is written by Eliza Lee Cabot Holland. Okay. She is the poetess of this poem. Let us read the poem. Butterflies are pretty things, prettier than you or I. See the colors on his wings. Who would hurt a butterfly? So butterflies are pretty things, means butterflies are beautiful things. They are living things, beautiful things which everyone love. We also love. Prettier than you are or you or I. They are prettier than you and me. They are more prettier than us. See the colors on his wings. You must have seen the butterflies. See the colors on his wings. So on their wings we can see the beautiful colors. They are of different colors. So beautiful colors we can see on their wings. Who would hurt a butterfly? So who would hurt a butterfly? No one. We will not hurt a butterfly because they are looking so pretty. They look so beautiful. Yes, they are prettier than you and I. So who would hurt a butterfly? No one. Yes. Okay. Let us move to the next stanza. The next stanza is softly, softly, girls and boys. He will come near us by and by. Here he is, don't make a noise. We will not hurt you, butterfly. Softly, softly, girls and boys means if we see a butterfly on a flower, sitting on a flower, so it's softly, softly, quietly, quietly, girls and boys. He will come near us by and by. If we will, he we have used here, he is used for the butterfly here. Okay, softly, softly. If you have to go to see the butterfly, you have to move quietly, quietly. So the poetess is saying to us, softly, softly, girls and boys. Girls and boys, you have to move softly, softly means quietly, quietly. Don't make noise, otherwise it will fly. He will come near us by and by. If you will not speak anything, the butterfly will come to us. Here he is, don't make a noise. But if you will make a noise, if you will speak something, it will get scared and it will fly away. We will not hurt you, butterfly. So we are saying to butterfly, we will not hurt you, butterfly. Softly, softly, girls and boys, he will come near us by and by. Here he is, don't make a noise. We will not hurt you, butterfly. Oh butterfly, we will not hurt you. We will not give you any hurt. Okay, next paragraph. Not to hurt a living thing. Living thing who lives, who can breathe, who can eat, who can grow, who can move from here to there. They are called living things. Not to hurt a living thing. Let all little children try. See, again he is on the wing. Goodbye, pretty butterfly. So what poetess is saying to us? Not to hurt a living thing. We should not hurt any living thing. Like if butterfly, any insect, any butterfly, any animal bird, we should not hurt. Not to hurt a living thing. Let all little children try. See again, he is on the wing. Goodbye, pretty butterfly. So the poetess is saying, little children, let them go. We should not catch them. We should let them go. See, he is on the wing, means he is flying with the help of his wings. Wings are called the part of the body with where feathers are joined. With that they are flying. Okay, they with the help of the wings they fly in the sky. So not to hurt a living thing. Let all children try. See again, he is on the wing. Goodbye, pretty butterfly. When we catch butterfly and we let them go, so what the children are saying in the poem? Goodbye, Pretty butterfly means beautiful, colorful butterfly. So the poetess is Eliza Lee Cabot Follen. Okay, so let us read once again. Butterflies are pretty things, prettier than you and I. They are prettier than you or I. See the colors on his wings. Who would hurt a butterfly? Softly, softly, girls and boys, he will come near us by and by. Here he is, don't make a noise. We will not hurt you, butterfly. Not to hurt a living thing, let all children try. See again, he is on the wing. Goodbye, pretty butterfly. Okay, so we are here telling that we should not catch them, we should let them go. They are also living thing, they also want to live their life, they also want to fly in the sky. God has given them beautiful wings. They are more prettier than you and I. They are beautiful than you and I. Okay, so see the colors. You must have seen the colors. The butterflies are of so many different colors. Yes, so but we have read in the poem, we should not hurt butterfly, we should not hurt them. They are living thing. They also get hurt, they also feel pain. Okay, so that's all. After this we will do difficult words and the word. Okay, so let us start difficult words. Everybody open English notebook, write down date and the great task on the top. Okay, let us start. First of all, write down date 25th October 2021. The day is Monday. Great task chapter 10. Butterflies are pretty things. Difficult words. Okay, first Pretty, pretty. Second, Things, things. Third, Softly, softly. Fourth, Living, living. Fifth, Noise, noise. Number 6, goodbye. Number 7, Butterflies, butterflies. Number 8, Wing, wing. Number 9, Little, little. And number 10, Prettier, prettier. Okay, so these are your 10 difficult words. After this we will write word meanings. Okay, turn the next page and write down heading word meaning. So let us write word meaning. The first word is Softly, softly. Meaning of softly, gently. Gently, gently. So softly meaning gently. Number 2, Pretty, pretty. Meaning of pretty, beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. Number 3, noise. Meaning of noise, a loud sound. A loud sound. Number 4, wing. Meaning of wing, the flat part of the body that a bird uses for flying. So what is the meaning of wing? The flat part of the body that a bird uses for flying. Okay, next, last, number 5, goodbye. What is the meaning of goodbye? The words or actions that are used when someone leaves. When someone leaves somewhere, then we say the action or the words which we use, that is called goodbye. Okay, so these are our difficult words and the word meaning. You all have to write in the notebook, read the poem, learn it. Okay, so till the time, take care.